Now just remember guys, when we hit 2,000 subscribers, I'm gonna give away either a splitter, a front lip, or something for the car. Top of the morning. What's going on guys? How are you guys doing today? You already know, back with another video. How are you guys liking these videos every single day? All right, you can go. So we're gonna get right into it guys. I'm gonna tell you guys the best first 3 or 4 mods that you should be doing to your car as you get it. Let's say you're in high school, or you're just getting your first car and you're like, damn, you know, like I really want to modify my car, I want to stand out. Boom, you got a little cash, you working hard. Shit, the first mod that you should do to your car is some coilovers. Why do I say coilovers? Coilovers change dramatically the appearance of your car. Just look at my car before and now look at it after. It's like a big difference, you know, and it's a bit more sporty. Probably if you get an older car, you need to change the suspension anyway, so might as well just get coilovers. I mean, if you have the extra cash, you can also get some bags. But the first thing you should do, in my opinion, is some coilovers if you have the money. Just gonna say this, if this is not an order, you should not follow this order. You do what you gotta do. If you don't have that much cash, but you have money for something else on the list or whatever, you can do it. You don't have to get coilovers first, or bags first, or, you know, exhaust first, or whatever you want to do. You don't have to do that. You can just start off wherever you want, but these are my top choices to do as first mods. Just be careful. Don't really cheap out on some coilovers. Try to get like a decent amount. I know, like for example, True Hearts or Godspeed, anywhere from like $500 to about $600-700 or whatever. Some BCs, some reactions, they're about 1,000. Some K Sports 800 or something like that. So you have, like, you know, the price varies. So you don't really need to spend over 1,000, over 2K, over $2,000 on coilovers. Right next to that, another thing you can do, or another thing you should do, which might be a little pricey, but you could find maybe used, you know, like for example, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or your buddy is selling it, which is wheels. Damn, guys. I don't know, for me, get them after you lower the car. Don't leave the car stock height and have some wheels.
No, God! No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Especially if you have poke, it's just gonna look funny. It's gonna look weird. So coilovers, after you get the coilovers, get the wheels, whatever wheels you want. Depending on the size and the model and whatever, you can get wheels anywhere from like, I think I've seen $200-300 and up.
Shut up and take my money.
You know, up meaning there's no limit, because you can get some TEs for like $3,000-4,000, where you can get some odd Huns or ESRs or whatever for like $400-500, you know. But definitely invest in some coilovers and some wheels. Another thing that would change your car drastically, whatever car it is a front lip. Definitely, I mean, I was running without a front lip for a while, but once I got my front lip, trust me, the change was so dramatic, so drastic, that I was like, damn, why did I wait so long? So now I have my front lip and I'm chilling, I'm cool. So definitely do that front lip once you get the, I mean, you can do it even before you lower the car, you know, it's up to you depending on the car. But yeah, definitely get a front lip. It's gonna change the look of your car drastically, and it's gonna look awesome. Another thing after that, depending on the car, depending if you want it or not, try to get an exhaust. There's also muffler elites, but with those, be careful, because on some cars it just sounds bad, it doesn't sound good. You know, it's better off just getting a normal real exhaust. I'm running a muffler elite on my car, but then I have a resonator and I have a white pipe, so it sounds good. But then on some cars it just sounds like raspy, and it sounds like a fart can. That's what it sounds like. An exhaust will make your day-to-day driving a whole lot better. Once you can hear those revs and, you know, the shift, upshift, downshift, pop, bang, whatever you want, that will make your driving so much better, and it will make you love your car a lot. Well, at least for me. And who doesn't want this? But yeah, guys, that's it. I will catch you guys on the next video. Remember, subscribe. Once we reach 2,000 subscribers, we will be doing a giveaway for the rear diffuser, a front lip. That's it, guys. That's all I got for today. Just a quick video. Thank you guys for watching, for supporting the channel. There's a lot more coming. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys later. Peace.